conduct a mock interview about scholarship. I'm Rizumi Chiombao, the interviewer, together with my partner, Cassandra Cristel Mojado, the interviewee. Okay, let's start. Hello, good morning. Thank you for joining us today. We are glad to meet you and learn more about your application for the scholarship grant. To begin, could you please introduce yourself briefly?
Good morning. Thank you for having me. My name is Cassandra Cristel A. Mojado, and I'm currently an education student at Cebu Technological University, Danao campus. I'm passionate about teaching and committed to pursuing a career in education to help shape future generations.
Thank you, Sandra. Okay, let's start for the first question. Okay, can you share with us what motivated you to pursue a degree in education and how this scholarship will support your journey?
Okay, thank you for your question. I choose education because I believe teaching is one of the most impactful professions. Growing up, I was inspired by teachers who encouraged me to dream big. This scholarship would ease my financial burden, allowing me to focus more on my studies and volunteer work in the community.
Okay, thank you, Miss Cassandra. Okay, the next question is, what challenges have you faced in your academic journey so far? And how have you managed to overcome them?
Okay, thank you. One challenge I faced was balancing part-time work with my academic responsibilities. I managed practicing time management, setting priorities, and seeking support from mentors. These experiences taught me resilience and discipline, which I believe are essential qualities for future educators.
Okay, our last question is, if you awarded this scholarship, how do you plan to give back to the community or contribute to the field of education in the future?
If I granted this scholarship, I plan to mentor younger students, especially those from disadvantaged backgrounds. I also want to conduct community literacy programs and eventually become a teacher who inspires students to pursue their dreams just as my teachers inspired me.
Okay, thank you for sharing your story and aspirations. We appreciate your sincerity and dedication. We wish you the best of luck with your scholarship application. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the opportunity, ma'am. I truly appreciate your time and consideration. Thank you.